Hughes has multiple enclosures for emergency safety showers, for indoors, outdoors, labs. This one is the Polar Emergency Safety Shower Cubicle. It is a stainless steel frame, double-sided wall, 1.5-inch insulation with double swing doors and a window to monitor inside. This unit can be installed in locations as cold as -40 or even colder. Inside, we'll see white walls, an inside light, and a room heater to keep the inside enclosure at a good temperature to protect the user after using the emergency safety shower. The other benefit of these enclosures is that they can be customized according to the needs of the user. In this model, we have a handheld drench and a flow switch to activate an alarm. If the customer needs, you can have a local horn and strobe or any type of other instruments needed to comply with the site specifications. Our Polar Safety Shower Cubicle fits flush with our 450-liter Tepid water skid. This modular design allows for better transportation and easier installation on site, where you can move both units independently and install together on site. On the Polar Emergency Shower Cubicle, all the electrical components are wired to a single junction box. On the 450-liter Tepid water skid, both heaters, the immersion heater and the electric room heater inside, are both wired to a single junction box, making it easier for the user to install it on site, bringing only one power to one location for the whole unit. Inside, this unit has everything it needs to provide tepid water to an emergency safety shower. With a 450-liter hot water tank and expansion tank for the system, it has a pressure-reducing valve on the inlet to protect the unit. The mixing valve mixes the cold water and the hot water to provide the 15 minutes of tepid water needed. Capable of working in the coldest environments, it's completely insulated and it has an electric room heater inside, making this the ideal unit for very cold weather.